catching feelings, baby. You can give it. I'm just keeping satisfied.
Hey y'all, so today we doing a hair tutorial. I'm doing my hair. I know it's been a little minute and I'm sorry. I keep deleting my videos, it's just I want to start over and show y'all better videos even though I'm a beginner female YouTuber and I regret deleting all my old videos, but I felt it's a new year and new fresh start, and I know in the beginning I was very consistent with my videos and now I haven't. If some of y'all here from the beginning when I first started, I introduced myself, even did a little mental health videos and different vlogs since the beginning. I was camera shy, but I think I'm gonna be a lot better and I hoping I can be consistent with my videos more. It's been a lot going on for me since I first started this channel and my very first videos, but I'm trying to get where I can be more consistent with YouTubing vlogging. But as you see in this video today, I'm just doing my hair. Honestly, I didn't know what to do with my hair, but I later figured it out. I know this is a long ass YouTube video and I'm still learning how to edit, so if y'all hear background noises, I'm so sorry. Please take it easy on me and be patient. I'm hoping I get more better, y'all. So back in January this year, 2025, I turned 18 years old. I didn't celebrate my birthday. By the way, I know I usually do my videos in my bathroom and right, y'all see me in a different scenery, but I'm currently not at the place where that bathroom is anymore for specific reasons, y'all. Also, my acne got a lot worse. That's cause I'm on period. Y'all be patient with your girl. Plus, I'm working on getting a skincare routine soon because my old one I don't have with me anymore, sadly, so I got to get new bottles of it, but I highly recommend it. It's called Acne Free. You can get it at Walmart. It's a 3-step, and I also use Acne Free Terminator 10 for the spots, aka bumps that hurt or just came on my face. Since I'm done talking, let me add some music for y'all. this shit sound like elevator music. I'm sorry, I'm using CapCut to edit. Thanks y'all for watching and being patient with me. See y'all next time, hopefully better than this video.